Hi buddy, welcome back to answersQ. In this video, we'll see about a new challenge that is offered by Corporate Finance Institute. So they have launched a special Power Query Power Up challenge. So we'll see about this in detail in this video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that. So you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in the description. Do check it out. And here is a small update regarding Courseware. So Courseware is a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies, including Google, Meta, Amazon, Microsoft, Duke University, Stanford University, HEC Paris. So a lot of topmost universities and companies around the world are offering online courses across different categories through this Courseware platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Courseware, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Courseware Plus, because this will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus world-class courses, and in addition to that you can also get job-ready certification programs that are offered by some big companies like Google and Meta. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus and get it. So now let's move on and see about this CFI Power Query Power Up Challenge. So basically this is a 1-week challenge program where you will get daily challenge through your email that you provide for the registration. So every day you'll get a challenge. You just have to work on it for around 20 to 30 minutes. So with that challenge, you can develop your Power Query skills. So if you are wondering what Power Query is, let me tell you about that first. So Power Query is basically a business intelligence tool which is owned by Microsoft. So this Power Query tool is actually being integrated in a lot of Microsoft Office products. Like if you see, Microsoft Excel is so popular, and Microsoft Power BI. So all these tools are very popular, and all these tools have been integrated with the Power Query. And this Power Query tool is a kind of business intelligence tool, like I said earlier. So this is being used for data preparation and transformation activities. So basically, if you are into data analysis or something like that, you would already know about this. So if you want to dive into data analysis or data analytics field, then this is something which you'll come across, which is something you have to learn at a certain point. So if you are into that field, then this Power Query challenge is going to be very useful for you. So now let's see what are the exact topics that are going to be covered in this particular 1-week challenge. What are the things that you can learn? So in this 1-week challenge, you can learn about common transformations such as group by, pivot and unpivot. You'll learn about extracting data using split columns and conditional columns. You'll learn about consolidation of data from multiple tables or files, and you'll learn about future-proofing queries by thinking ahead to ensure automation that keeps working. You'll learn to apply techniques to short examples and real-world data sets using finance and airline data. So you can learn about all these things. And the best part about this particular challenge is this is not like a normal course. Here you are going to get a challenge every day and you are going to find a solution for it. You are work on some real-world data sets. So this will give you that practical real-world work exposure. So make use of it and learn about these things if you are interested in it. So you can see here, you will receive a daily email to complete a day's challenge in your dashboard. So it will take around 20 minutes for you to complete it. So you will get it for 7 days. This is a 1-week challenge program. And the last date to register for this programming is July 17 at 8 a.m. PT, that is specific time. And this challenge will be starting on July 19th, but the registration closes on July 17th itself. And this challenge is actually a follow-up program to their CFI Accelerator Challenge. So we also uploaded a video regarding it. If you are following our channel for quite some time now, you should know about it. But if you are new to our channel, you can just check out the link in description or just go to the video playlist in our channel and check for this Accelerator Challenge as well. It's a good one using which you can improve your Excel skills. But that challenge is no way connected to this particular one. If you are interested in that, you can also go ahead and make use of it. If you want to take this alone, you can just make use of this Power Query challenge alone. That is up to you. So now let's see how you can register for this particular challenge. So once you're on this page, just give your name here and then give your email address here and click on this register button to register for this CFI Power Query Power Up Challenge. There is no information regarding certificate or anything of that sort, but the kind of learning content that you'll get out of this program is going to be very good. So make use of it and learn from it. And if you want free certificate courses that are offered by CFI, I'll just leave this page link in description. Check it out, where you can see CFI free courses with certificate. So here you can get around 20 plus courses across different categories. So all these corporate finance, Excel fundamentals, accounting fundamentals courses are offered by CFI. You can also get a free certificate after completing these courses. So make use of it I hope you'll definitely find this Power Query Power Up challenge very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses or events like this, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.